Hey there, science fans! Are you ready for an incredible adventure? Today, we're going on an adventure inside your body. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of the human digestive system. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the amazing digestive system. It's going to be a thrilling ride, so make sure you're ready. This is the system that turns the food you eat into energy. Every bite you take starts a complex process that fuels your body. It's like a giant food factory, but it's right inside you. How cool is that? Imagine all the tiny workers inside you making sure everything runs smoothly. Imagine biting into a juicy apple. The journey of that apple is just beginning. What happens to that apple after you swallow it? It doesn't just disappear. It goes on an incredible journey. It goes on a wild ride through your digestive system, from your mouth to your stomach and beyond. This system is made up of many different parts, all working together. Each part has a special role to play in breaking down your food. They break down your food, absorb nutrients, and get rid of waste. It's a well-coordinated process that keeps you healthy and energized. So, are you ready to learn all about the digestive system? Let's get started. We'll explore each part in detail and see how they all work together to keep you going. It all starts in your mouth, where your teeth break down the food into smaller pieces. Your saliva helps to moisten the food, making it easier to swallow. Next, the food travels down your esophagus, a long tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. This journey is quick but essential. Once in your stomach, the food is mixed with digestive juices. These acids and enzymes break down the food into a semi-liquid form called chyme. The chyme then moves into your small intestine, where most of the nutrients are absorbed. Tiny finger-like structures called villi help in this process. Your liver and pancreas also play crucial roles. The liver produces bile, which helps digest fats, while the pancreas releases enzymes that aid in digestion. Finally, the remaining waste moves into your large intestine, where water is absorbed and the waste is formed into stool, ready to be excreted. And that's how your digestive system works. It's an amazing journey that happens every time you eat, keeping you healthy and full of energy. Thanks for joining us on this incredible adventure inside your body. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Our journey begins in the mouth. Think of your mouth as the first stop on this food adventure. When you take a bite, your teeth get to work. They chop and grind the food into smaller pieces. This is called mechanical digestion. But that's not all. Your saliva also plays a crucial role. Saliva contains special chemicals called enzymes. Enzymes help break down food even further. This is called chemical digestion. Have you ever noticed that food starts to taste sweeter the longer you chew it? That's because your saliva is breaking down starches into sugars. Next, the food travels down a long tube called the esophagus. Think of it like a slide. The esophagus connects your mouth to your stomach. It moves the food along with a special squeezing motion called peristalsis. Peristalsis is like a wave that pushes the food down. It's like when you squeeze toothpaste out of a tube. The esophagus is about 10 inches long. That's longer than a dollar bill. Can you believe that a tube that long is inside you? Now the food enters the stomach, a muscular bag that's like a mixing machine. This is where the real magic of digestion begins. The stomach is not just a simple container. It's a dynamic organ that plays a crucial role in breaking down the food we eat. Here, the food gets mixed and churned with acids and enzymes. These substances are essential for breaking down the complex molecules in our food into simpler forms that our bodies can absorb and use for energy, growth, and repair. It's like a washing machine for your food. The stomach's muscular walls contract and relax in a rhythmic manner, ensuring that the food is thoroughly mixed with digestive juices. The stomach acids are very strong. These acids, primarily hydrochloric acid, create an acidic environment that is necessary for the enzymes to work effectively. They can even dissolve some metals. This gives you an idea of just how powerful these stomach acids are. However, they are perfectly suited for breaking down the food we consume. Don't worry though, the lining of your stomach protects you from these powerful acids. The stomach lining secretes a thick layer of mucus that acts as a barrier, preventing the acids from damaging the stomach tissue. This churning and mixing help break down the food even more. The mechanical action of the stomach, combined with the chemical action of the acids and enzymes, ensures that the food is broken down into a semi-liquid form called chyme. The stomach also stores food for a while, so you don't have to eat all the time. It acts as a temporary holding area, releasing the chyme into the small intestine in small, manageable amounts. Can you imagine eating every few minutes? Without the stomach's storage capacity, we would need to eat constantly to keep up with our body's energy demands. Thanks to your stomach, you can go for a few hours between meals. This allows us to have a more structured eating schedule and gives our bodies time to digest and absorb the nutrients from our food. Section 5. The Nutrient Highway, the Small Intestine. Welcome to the fascinating journey through the small intestine, a crucial part of our digestive system. After the stomach, the food, now a soupy mixture called chyme, moves into the small intestine. This is where the magic of nutrient absorption begins. Don't let the name fool you. The small intestine is actually very long, about 20 feet. It's a winding, twisting tube that plays a vital role in digestion. If you stretched it out, it would be longer than a school bus. Imagine that, a part of your body longer than a vehicle you see every day. The small intestine is where most of the nutrients from your food are absorbed into your bloodstream. This is essential for providing your body with the necessary vitamins, minerals, and energy. These nutrients provide your body with energy to run, jump, and play. Without the small intestine, we wouldn't have the fuel to perform our daily activities. The small intestine has tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi are crucial for maximizing nutrient absorption. These villi increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. The more surface area, the more nutrients can be absorbed efficiently. It's like having thousands of tiny straws sucking up nutrients. Each villus acts like a mini vacuum, drawing in the essential nutrients from the food we eat. Enzymes play a significant role in breaking down food into smaller molecules that can be easily absorbed by the villi. These enzymes are secreted by the pancreas and the walls of the small intestine. The pancreas releases enzymes into the small intestine to aid in the digestion of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. This collaboration ensures that our body gets the maximum benefit from the food we consume. Once the nutrients are absorbed by the villi, they enter the bloodstream and are transported to various parts of the body. This process is vital for maintaining our overall health and well-being. The nutrients absorbed by the small intestine support everything we do, from thinking and working to exercising and playing. It's truly the nutrient highway of our body. So next time you eat, remember the incredible journey your food takes through the small intestine, ensuring you get the energy and nutrients you need to thrive. Section 6. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. A digestive team. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas are like helpers in the digestive process. Even though food doesn't pass through them directly, they are super important. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats. It's like dish soap for your digestive system. The gallbladder stores the bile until it's needed. The pancreas produces enzymes that help digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Think of it as a digestive juice factory. These organs work together to make sure your food is digested properly. Section 7. Waste removal. The large intestine. By now, most of the nutrients have been absorbed from the food. What's left is mostly waste material. This waste travels to the large intestine, also known as the colon. The large intestine is shorter than the small intestine, but it's much wider. Its main job is to absorb water from the waste and form solid stool. The large intestine is home to trillions of bacteria. Don't worry, most of these bacteria are good for you. They help break down food and keep your digestive system healthy. Finally, the waste is ready to leave your body. Section 8. Why should we care about digestion? You might be wondering, why do we need to learn about digestion? Well, understanding how your digestive system works is important for your overall health. When you eat a balanced diet and take care of your digestive system, you're giving your body the best chance to absorb all the good stuff from your food. This helps you grow, learn, and have lots of energy to play. Eating lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is like giving your digestive system a high five. Section 9. Fun facts about digestion. Here are some fun facts about your amazing digestive system. Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day. That's enough to fill a whole juice box. It takes about 6 to 8 hours for food to travel through your entire digestive system. The muscles in your stomach are so strong that they can churn food even if you're standing on your head. Your liver is the largest internal organ in your body. The human body is truly fascinating. Section 10. Healthy habits for a happy digestive system. Here are some tips for keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. Chew your food well. The more you chew, the easier it is for your body to digest. Drink plenty of water. Water helps things move along smoothly in your digestive system. Eat a balanced diet. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps keep your digestive system working properly. By following these tips, you can help your digestive system do its job. Section 11. Conclusion. You are what you eat. Congratulations! You've completed the amazing journey through the digestive system. We've learned how food is broken down, how nutrients are absorbed, and how waste is removed. Remember, taking care of your digestive system is important for your overall health. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember the incredible journey your food takes inside your body. Stay curious, science fans.